Hello children, welcome to my channel Online Study with Vinay, and I hope you are enjoying my videos that may be useful for you. So keep watching my videos and hit the like button and comment if you have any problem. Okay, so today we are going to study about large intestine. That is also very important part of our digestive system. Undigested food with from the small intestine goes here. So let's move on. Now we will talk about structure of large intestine. Means how long, wide in comparison to small intestine it is. Okay. So the large intestine is the portion of the digestive system most responsible for absorption of water from the indigestible residue of food. Means whatever is sent from the small intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long, maybe about 6 foot feet. The large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine, and it is called large because its size is big. Now move on to working of large intestine. The primary function of the large intestine. Primary function means main, however, is absorption of water. Means it removes water from the undigested food and electrolytes from digestive residues. A process that usually takes 24 to 30 hours. Means the undigested food remains 24 to 30 hours in our large intestine. And due to removal of water, the undigested food becomes semi-solid. Semi-solid means like a paste every day we do in the morning to clean our teeth. This undigested food or waste material is stored in the last part of the large intestine called rectum for some time. Understand? A progressive and more vigorous type of movement known as the gastrocolic reflex, which occurs only 2 or 3 times daily in our body, means in our stomach. Which work occur means propels the material. Propels means to push the material toward the anus. And the anus is a part from where you every day you fresh out your undigested food in the morning time. And semi-solid waste passed out from our body through anus in the form of feces. This is called agitation. Agitation is the last process of digestion of food. Okay, and this is the last topic of digestion in human. And lastly, in 4 points, I have concluded my topic. What does the large intestine do? The four major functions of the large intestines are: first, reabsorption of water and mineral salts such as sodium and chloride. Second, formation and temporary storage of feces. Third, maintaining a resident population of over 500 species of bacteria. And the last, fourth, bacterial fermentation of indigestible material. Have a good day. Bye.